Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today we will be making double pie crust. It's so easy, simple and quick. For that I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter. You can use Crisco shortening, but I like to use butter because butter makes everything better. 1 egg. I have tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I also need 1 tablespoon of water. So we're going to begin with adding the flour, 2 cups of flour, and butter. And we're going to mix it really well until there's no butter. You don't see big lumps. So now that all the butter is combined, you can see, and at this point we are going to add 1 egg, salt, vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of cold water. And we're going to mix it all together to form a dough. So at this point, we're going to use our hands and we're going to mix it together. And form it into a ball. And we are going to put this in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's easy to roll. It's really soft right now. So the dough is ready to be rolled. I'm going to take half for the top and half for the bottom. So we're going to put the other half and we're going to roll it out. I place a saran wrap on the bottom so it's easy for me to pick it up. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put the saran wrap over so it's easy to roll. And this is a baking dish I'm going to be using. And I have 2 cookie cutters, shape cutters, and my filling, apple pie filling. Gonna roll. And this way, with the saran wrap, it's easy to move it. And I'm gonna roll it this way. Basically, we want the size of the dish. Now that shape is rolled out, I'm going to remove the top saran wrap. And I'm going to pick it up and place it in the dish. And then you can peel out the other layer. So we're going to fix the edges. And we're going to pour in our filling. gonna roll out our top part. At this point, I'm gonna cut a shape in the middle. And we're going to place this over and remove the plastic. We're going to cut off the extra. With the leftover dough, I'm cutting out some leaf shape. And carefully pick it up and place it. You can decorate it as it's whatever way you like. We're going to use up all of the dough. So now our pie is ready for the oven. Please bake this for 35 to 40 minutes for 350 degrees until golden brown. Pie is ready. It took about 45 to 50 minutes to bake until golden brown. It depends on the fillings that you're using. My filling was already cooked. So please keep an eye on it, and it should be golden brown and it turns out nice and crispy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.